Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Consumers will get some reprieve at the pumps tomorrow. Petrojam has announced it will cut the price of a litre of gasoline by $2.73. The price of a litre of regular diesel falls by $3.29, while low sulfur diesel is down $3.13. Kerosene is costing $3.05 less. Propane is down 89 cents, while the price for butane is down $2.70. In the meantime, oil prices continue to post strong gains on the international market. In New York today, oil for delivery in March ended the day up $1.41. It closed the day at $60.60. The Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, says it will be taking the matter of access to banking services for operators in the licensed ganja industry. Players in the ganja sectors have complained that they are being denied banking services even though they are operating a legal business. PSOJ President Howard Mitchell says he intends to raise the matter with the Ministry of Finance.
It is illogical that you would set up a licensing regime, invite people to invest, while at the same time you have signed off and given instructions to the commercial banks that they must not accept money from these people.
Mr. Mitchell said in informal conversations, Finance Minister Audley Shaw has indicated that there is a fix for the issue of banks denying services to operators in the legal ganja sector.
I think what we need to do is to keep the pressure on, right? Because it's a matter of some irony to me that you can go to Denver, Colorado and trade and deal with any amount of these transactions and the banks there don't give you a problem. But your correspondent banking system here would give you a problem for accepting that cash. So that's something that, yeah, we are at one with that for a different reason, because we really haven't taken on the cannabis side of it as yet.
He said it is among a list of issues affecting PSOJ members, especially with how banks interpret anti-money laundering legislation. Banks have indicated they are unwilling to risk relationships with their international counterparts by taking money from ganja entrepreneurs. And that's the business day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.